Okay, morning. We're back here at Ekhaya Safaris in the Eastern Cape. Beautiful day, a little bit chilly, but looking forward to a long day filled with hunting. Hopefully a successful day as well. So this morning we're probably going to try and target maybe a Nyala bull, mountain Reedbuck trophies and a Blesbok. But let's see what the Eastern Cape and Ekhaya can provide for us today. Want die 6.6. Goed. Ja, inderdaad. So we just spotted a group of 3 Blesbok rams. So we're going to quickly walk over this edge and just see if they're in this opening or flats below us. But there's one good looking Blesbok ram.
It's been a great stalk, and yeah, good to be shooting prone. What, 300 meters?
300 meters on the dot, yeah. Excellent shot, right in the chest as it was facing you. And this is almost the end of our hunt. Maybe there's something still today, but what a fantastic experience. And to Donnie and Daniel and Keith and the team at Ekhaya, we can only say thank you. And to Cody, who led us onto so many great experiences. I think the approach and the stalk is probably 90% of the whole experience and the memories. So,
Yeah.
and of course to Rocky, who did his bit there. Sharpest eyes on the bus, definitely. So we're very grateful, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot. A wonderful hunt.
Alright, so we've now just spotted a blue wildebeest not too far away, and it's turned for Yaku to shoot now. But it's a beautiful blue wildebeest the way we can see it, so we're gonna walk down this little valley here in front of us and sneak around these some thorn trees and that and see if we can get an opportunity to take him. Luckily he's secluded, so there's not many eyes, but let's see what happens.
Cody's setting me up on this
Yeah,
very old bull.
extremely beautiful though.
So it's been a long-awaited one on my bucket list. So thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah,
I'm privileged
thanks
to
so
do it
much.
and help you with you every step.
Thanks a lot.
Good
Yeah.
stuff, good
Thanks,
shooting.
guys. Yeah.